Welcome back to the Core Hub. Today we are here to explain you how you will get started with the setting up the environment for Python programming. Python is always a very flexible and easy to learn programming language. So let's start. You just open the Google and search for the Anaconda download, and you will get download Anaconda distribution at the top. And when you click on it, it will show you a distribution which provides you some options which are sometime already checked, and here you need to give them a consent like I agree with the relevant information, and you will provide your valid email address which ensures Anaconda to register you as a valid user. So here normally have three options: distribution, installation on Windows, Mac or Linux. There are other operating systems as well where Python can work, but in this distribution you have just these three options. Here we select the window and just you put the start button. Download is just started automatically, and you have a source file in your folder which is named as downloads, or wherever you by default get the applications. You just double click on the source and the first window is appeared on your screen, which is a welcome screen, and you just press the next button and an automatic installation process is initiated. Here second screen, which also asks you to choose either you are installing this distribution for yourself only, or you have a team which work together to complete some project. It may have some extra features which is about code repository or shared code or the shared libraries option, but by default it is for the just me, and it is the recommended setting in this distribution. And when you press the next button, the next window may appear on your window, and it is also asks you to choose the destination or the folder, and this application can copy its files on that destination, and then it starts setting up the environment. Here you have three checkbox. Then you press the next button and automatic file extraction process is completed, and you just press 2-3 times next, and an environment is set for you, and here you can start register with the Anaconda. Here you have a register an account screen which has the three options of the sign up. Either you can sign up with the GitHub, either you can sign up with the Google, or you can sign up with the Microsoft. GitHub is a code repository. It is a very big collection of the so many type of the codes. Some big organizations also can host their live code on GitHub, or even the individual programmers can also host their code on this repository. In Google account, you just need to have a Gmail account, and sign up with the Microsoft, you just need to have a Hotmail account, and you just choose one of these. It is a very easy process. You not need any special kind of the skills to register with these environments. Here you have 2-3 again more options: introduction to Anaconda, code online, or Anaconda distribution. You may install extra features of Anaconda, or you may choose to code online. It will provides you the facilities to run the code with their online compiler, or you just need to learn the Anaconda environment and start learning the Python. It will provides you the lectures in text form, or it also provides you some code libraries. You may copy the code and test it to may understand that code. It will help you to polish your programming skills as well. After choosing one of these, most of the time you just need to select the Anaconda distribution and just press the next button, and you will have a next window. Here you have the option get create access or get started with the Anaconda, and you just get a free access. It is also option with some organizations to have a paid access. They should provide some special kind of the libraries with them, but here you can just put the next button and you get started with the data repositories. It is about the Anaconda data catalogs, which help you to host your code on different clouds. You may also select the environments. You may also choose their learning material, and you also get part of the different communities where so many people are always available to help you with your special kind of the problems. But here only we choose the environment, and you have so many environments here. I would like to mention that almost the Anaconda have 20 different environments. They are like compilers. You have more than 20 compilers. We are working with Jupyter. So why we choose Jupyter? We have the backend facilities to run the code of more than 40 languages with the Jupyter, and the Jupyter is the most well-known and the easy compiler to learn the Python for the beginners. So Jupyter Notebook is almost ready to be loaded on your computer. Here you just give it default path where your code may be copied or the hosted when you are setting up or you are coding your programs. When you double click on the icon of the Jupyter, a window is appear on your screen where you have so many paths as well as different options like file, view, settings, help, etc. And you have a few folder names which represents your different project files or your coded files on the bottom of the screen. And you can choose the default path as well as you may choose a new path for your coded files, or when you start a new project you can create a new path for that project, or you may choose the same path which is the default path for your code. So when you click on new and you just start a new program or the new project, and other windows appear where you can name your file, and a blank working window has appeared on your screen, and here you can write your first command to the compiler, which is more than 90% students do with their development career. When they start their development career, print hello world, and it is also an amazing factor. More than 50% of the students just write this single line of the code in their whole graduation time period, and they think they will be a programmer or the developer right now. And it is a very good fact to get a happy feeling that they had write their first program on any compiler. So thank you so much once again. In today's discussion, we just start downloading a compiler for the Python programming, which is Jupyter, and we setting up the environment, and then we set up the different settings on our compiler, and we just write our first code line, which is hello world. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel.